Welcome to PFTV, Puchabu champion 2025-2026. Puchabu, how are you feeling?
It's unbelievable.
It's unbelievable.
It's highly unbelievable. Remember, it's stressful league. Some of us were not sleeping because you sleep today and then Pirates plays a draw tomorrow where they were supposed to win. So it was a journey, It was a tough journey. But you know why we are here today? It's because we didn't give up Kuma players weight. We gave them the maximum support. I mean, look at the sold out that we had as fans. I mean, that attributes should go purely to the fans. Each and every game from Isizini Kala, the Shayama ama sold out. I-11. Yeah, so I mean, so we can't be blamed. We did our work as some supporters. And that's why we're here today. Even when it was tough, because there were doomsayers, that were saying no, we are not going to take the league. And I think over and above that, Meles scrutinized the issues of the so-called legends. A legend is a person that will forever support the team, even if he's no longer playing for a team. But other legends are questionable. So let's status some legends. We need to check what is Sipabane. Abanye, to me, they were very questionable. That is not a person that I'll call my legend. Because Lomuntu, at a critical point where he was needed, he was telling us we were not going to, emerge victorious as the Orlando Pirates.
Yeah. So, Vilakazi, now you must revoke that one.
Well, with so.
No excuses.
Well, no, Mara yazi amanya ya pretender, Abanya, they are openly saying no, you are not going to win it. But ngaboto, at least sometimes kuna ma game labo zoza ka praise and the Pirates. Amanye, they were just saying no, you are not going to win this thing. So I labo bantu to me they are not legends. They must remain kulama team ebe wadlalela bo Sundowns and stuff.
So Puchabu, 14 years without this team, Puchabu, Coach AP came through. He took us to the final to this trophy that we desperately needed. How would you rate him for the season? Because other people are saying he had to because he had the material. But I just want to hear from you, Puchabu. How would you rate him?
That's unfair to a coach. I mean, we had a proper and a best coach, Ruud Krol. Ruud Krol had players, but it took him 3 seasons to Ruud Krol gastolele league. I mean, we can't blame Coach Wadu. He came in the first season while winning treble. Where have you seen that? Much as there were things that we saw, Mara here and here, we are Paiza, Mara. I'm saying big up to Coach Wadu. And I'm also saying let's apologize as fans because we thought he's a scam. But now Usniga's the treble. 3 cups in 1 season, including the league. That took us 14 years to win. Today we are champions of Ilona E-League. So to me, I'll give him 100 out of 100.
Last question, Puchabu. I know it's a difficult question, and it's going to be unfair on other players, Puchabu. But if you were to give me just one player who outshined everyone on the Orlando Pirates squad, who would you give it to? Consider Sipo Chaina Batinchitwabo, Mogazu who came and left, Rele, a police, or maybe just give me 2, Puchabu, because one will be unfair.
I think players that have carried the team, it should be Police, because even when it was tough, the boy kept on pushing. Omufugeng had his games as well. So I'll say to me, those 2 players were outstanding, but I can't rule out China. Where have you seen 21 clean sheets in a PSL? So I can't rule him out. People will say, no, but the defense was good. But remember, the goalkeeper is a defense as well. It's part of the defense. So I'll give it to those players. To me, they performed, and that's why we are here today.
Let me not keep you too long, Puchabu. Let's go and celebrate. Puchabu,
the champagnes are waiting. Silalum tongo, but namhlanje akulalwa. Le ndawo siyenza ibe manzi akulalwa. Chairman, we're not sleeping, we're not going.